Hello, beautiful people. Today we are going to focus on our breath and couple that with a few poses to de-stress and reduce anxiety. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. Let me know below after this video how this felt on your body. Meet me on the mat, toes untucked, sitting on your shins. Bring your awareness to your breath. Stand on your shins. Place your hands on your lower back and shift your hips forward, slight back bend. As you can see, I'm yawning. Sometimes we yawn because we're tired or stressed. Yawning helps increase oxygen and reduce tension. Hips touch the heels. A few more times at your own pace. Remember to breathe through these back bends. Back bends are great for releasing stuck energy. Pay attention to your emotions. Rest in child's pose. Breathe here. One more time, stand on your shins. Hips forward, reach your arms up towards the sky, slight back bend. If you're yawning, allow yourself to yawn and continue to breathe. Release that tension and anything that does not serve you. Interlace your hands behind your back. Inhale, bring your fists down, slight back bend, chest is proud. Exhale, back to child's pose. Arms can rest by your sides or in front of you. Tabletop position. Isolate the waist and arch your spine. Exaggerate that movement from your hips. Tailbone reaches towards the ceiling. Slightly round your spine from the waist and tuck your tailbone in. Continue to move your waist and hips. Intuitively breathe through this. Step your left foot onto the mat, toes pointing towards the left side of the room. Heel is in line with your right knee. Inhale, arch your spine, look up. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your tailbone in and hold. Breathe here. Bring your awareness to your spine as you breathe. How does it feel? Inhale, arch your spine, a few cat-cows at your own pace. Left leg meets the right. Repeat on the other side at your own pace. Do not take this amazing body of yours for granted. It is working for you without your knowledge. Help your body by going inward. Right leg meets the left. Child's pose. Send your hips to touch your heels. Rest your forehead onto the mat. Back to tabletop. Puppy pose. Walk your hands forward and send your chest to the mat. Prayer. Surrender to the universe. Breathe. Send your hips back to touch your heels as you pull your upper body into child's pose. Surrender and allow your body to rest. You deserve to rest. Cobra. Gently bring your hips forward. Arms long, bring your hips down to the mat. Chest is open and proud. Breathe. Elbows hugging your ribs. Bend into your elbows and lower your chest to the mat. Sphinx pose. Forearms and palms firmly flat on the mat. Keep your forearms on the mat. Tuck your toes. Downward facing dog variation. Feel that stretch in your shoulders and arms. Breathe here to release tension in your shoulders. There is a powerful fire inside of you. Keep it alive. Breathe. Bring your body back to the mat. Tuck your toes, press into your palms, downward facing dog. Plank, lower your body onto the mat. Baby cobra. Upward facing dog, chest is proud. Breathe. Knees on the mat, child's pose. If it feels good for you, lift your shoulders upward and down a few times. Breathe through this. We hold so much tension in our shoulders. Breathwork helps to reduce stress and tension. Gently make your way to seated and lay on your back. Shift your bum away from your body. Hug your knees to your chest. Legs to the sky. Stretch them out. Flex your feet and toes. These beautiful feet carry so much weight day in and day out. Give them some love. Happy baby, bend into your knees and breathe. Sole of the feet together. Gently stretch those inner thighs and hips. Back to happy baby. Extend your left leg onto the mat while holding your right foot in a feel-good stretch. This is not supposed to hurt. If it feels uncomfortable, that is okay. One day you may enjoy this stretch like I do. Breathe here. And switch legs. Breathe. These stretches are so important. Each time I practice the asana, the more I enjoy these poses because they become easier each time. Watch me grow in my practice. Let's grow together. Left foot on the mat. Shift your bum towards the left, bring your knee to your chest, and then onto the outer side of your right thigh. Look to the left and breathe. Repeat after me. I release stress and embrace peace. Release the twist, bring both feet to the mat, shift your bum to the right, extend your right leg onto the mat and repeat on this side. Breathe into that twist. Release the twist, bring your feet to the mat. Shift your bum away from your body. Allow your knees to spread apart as the sole of the feet touch. As we slow things down even more, feel the opening of the pelvic region. Allow your legs to relax. Close your eyes. Shoulders are away from your ears. Relax your jaw and eyebrows. Take slow, deep inhales and slowly exhale. Feel a sense of balance and connection in your pelvic region. Just like our shoulders, this area holds on to a lot of stress. This area is tied to our sense of safety, whether financial, physical, psychological safety. Be gentle and breathe into this position. Release tension. Now, very gently come into fetal position. Show yourself some love and compassion here. Fetal position is a safety position. Show your body that it is safe. Your mind will follow. Your physical and psychological safety is important. Gently press into your palm and make your way to seated. Hug yourself. Feel your feelings. Show yourself some love for showing up for yourself today. Palms together by your heart. Thank you everyone for joining me today. Your body is your vehicle for life's journey. See you on the mat next time. Much warmth and gratitude.